Hi, how are you? Today we're going to draw a nice calligraphy which is of Islamic handwriting style. So you can see the Arabic letters. This is written in different forms and different shades. So all the patterns that presents artistic representations all the time. So you can see it's a free flowing outlines. After putting the outlines, then we're going to fill up the spaces in the middle. Okay, now let's rotate the canvas a little bit and finish the drawings of the outlines here. One is coming up here, then we're going for the next one, and again we're going for the last one here. Alright, so vertically you can see the usual representations. Now I'm going to fill up with a sign pen, or sometimes you can call it a highlighter of the green color. Let's put the color inside the border outlines. Alright, so there are some spaces in middle of these two parallel lines. I'm going to fill it up with this sign pen. After filling up the area, you can see the whole drawing and the writing styles becomes wonderful. Alright, so the usual presentations, you can see it defines some symbols, some characters, and it has a nice meaning. Because of the Arabic word, you can have a free flowing outlines, and the artistic style is practiced over the 1,000 years. It's a very popular types of arts. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the updates. You can also browse through the playlist and select your drawings in different categories. We have lots of drawings out there. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.